we are looking at how to pronounce the German umlaut with the letter U. So that's your letter U with the two dots on top of it. A very German symbol and a very German sound. We'll be looking at how to pronounce correctly the other two letters that can have an umlaut on top of them. So the letter O and the letter A. If you want to learn more, make sure to stay tuned to the channel because we'll be looking at how to say those two. But for now, we're looking at how to say the U umlaut or U umlaut. It's pronounced U. U is how you say it. So for this you have to, it's a bit like an O, but you have to close your mouth a bit more. U. It's very much like the French sound for the letter U. U. The German umlaut for the letter U is U. U. So it's not U, but U. U. Simply U is how you say it. And now you know. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. I'll see you there. Thanks for watching.